Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Ford Focus Center console. First, ensure your vehicle is safely in neutral with the parking brake fully engaged. Next, unscrew and remove the gear knob. Then, carefully pry up the gear gaiter and its surround, applying gentle pressure. Move to the handbrake gaiter, using a small, flat tool to lift its back edge. Slide the handbrake surround backward to avoid snapping its locating lugs. Always use a plastic pry tool to protect your interior. Now, let's access the hidden fasteners. Begin by gently prying up the trim panel surrounding your shifter. Underneath, you will typically find 2 Torx screws. Remove these. Next, locate and remove the rear ashtray or storage compartment. This step often reveals 4 10mm bolts that secure the console's rear section. Take your time with these steps to ensure no clips or plastic tabs are damaged during removal, as they can be fragile. With the initial screws removed, look for any remaining bolts, often 2 located at the front of the console, possibly near the climate control area. Before lifting, it is critical to carefully disconnect all electrical connectors. These typically include USB and power cables, and sometimes other wiring harnesses. Take care not to pull on the wires directly. Once all fasteners are removed and electrical connections are safely unplugged, you can gently lift the entire center console assembly out of the vehicle. When you are ready to reinstall your center console, the process is essentially the reverse. First, ensure all electrical connections are securely reattached. Then, carefully position the console, making sure it aligns perfectly with its mounting points before you begin tightening any screws or bolts. Replace all trim pieces, ensuring each clip engages properly for a snug and secure fit. Finally, test all functions, including the gear shifter, parking brake, and any electrical components, to confirm everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.